my name is Mike and you're watching Buck's Blog. It is Monday, Labor Day, September 5th, and we're out for our last ride. Some of us are staying, some of us are going home. There's the going home crew.
Some of us have to work for a living.
Yeah. There's Eric's rig. He's a day tripper. Got some overnighters. The other Eric with his Talon. I'll get back to you with the lineup. They're not ready yet. The car lineup. Last minute.
Last minute. All right, see you guys later.
We got Eric, Nate, and Jordan. And then we got a guard dog leaving behind. Huh? We're waving to the guard dog. All the cars up, make sure everybody's got no issues, no concerns. Turbo RR.
Sorry, man.
No problem. Andy, you're coming in hot. Where's those canned hams at? Here we are at the waterfalls. Let's check them out. Well, a stream. Underwater cam. Makes you just want to go take a dip, doesn't it?
Very completely. It's probably pretty darn cold.
Take a drink, Gordon. And the fire camp. Great, I broke down. Woo. I blew something.
I'm back.
For watching. If you like these videos, subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers. Post down in the comments below anything you'd like to see done differently. If you'd like to see less riding, more riding, less my talk, more of my talking, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching our Labor Day 3 Lakes Snow Park ride with Kim and Grant's Adventures, Grant and Kim's Adventures. God bless you. Peace. Fun. We stayed till the last minute. This parking lot was packed, but you'll notice who's left. Grant and Kim, Mike and Maria. You couldn't get one more rig in this parking lot. We packed the house. Had a great time, great weekend. Come on out for one of our next trips. Watch the website for details. Not my website, Grant and Kim's Adventures or Rogue Valley Side by Side Group.